So here's a Metamask SDK Proxy. I'm just going to set things up so you can see how it works. I'm going to clone this repo. And follow these instructions down here. So I'm going to add the SDK file. And then I'm going to install the dependencies. And now I'm going to run the server. So think of this as the game launcher. Now that the QR code is here, I'm going to start my phone. This is a mirrored version of my phone. I'm going to open up Metamask. This is the test flight version with the SDK installed. And note that I'm on Girly. I have a balance of 5.01. I'm going to hit scan on the top right. Scan the QR code. Give it a few seconds and it should say, do you want to connect? I hit connect. And you can see down here that the address is 728. The address is 728. So everything's all connected. Next, I'm going to go down here and go to the client API references. I'm going to open a new tab. Think of this as the client or the game. And the game is doing post requests to this server or the launcher to get information. This acts as a proxy. So in here we have a bunch of curl commands. One is to get the account. So if I can copy this, paste. So the game will do a post request with this raw data here. Hit enter. And this is the address. I can also get the balance. So if I get balance, get the balance of this address. The value here is in hex. So if I do hex to number, I paste this in, it's 50122. If you check on my mobile wallet, it's 50122. This is in way, this is in hex. I can also get the chain ID. So the current chain ID is Girly, which is 5. So it should be 0x5. I can also switch chains. So in here it says switch chain to 0x1, which is mainnet. So if I copy this and I paste in, and I hit enter, there's going to be a pop-up that says, would you like to switch network to mainnet? I hit switch network, and you can see on the top right here, I'm on mainnet, which is chain ID 1. I'm going to switch back to Girly. And I can do personal sign. So what it's saying is personal sign, the address is my address with the message hello. So I want to sign the word hello. Paste. And it says sign this message, hello, hit sign. And the response is the signed message. And I can also send ETH. Here. So sending ETH is from is me, to is also me. Here's the value. I think this value here is 1 ETH. I have to verify. So let's do that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this amount, 0.1137. The value's in hex, so I can confirm. And here's the TX hash. I can go to the block explorer, paste in the transaction hash, and you can see the value is in ETH. What else can I do? Last one is sending ERC20 tokens. It doesn't work. I'll figure this out. So how does this work under the hood? If you see the logic, there isn't much, but I'll walk you through it. So it's about 150 lines of code, and it's broken into 2 parts. The first part is the wallet initiation, which is all of this. So it's creating a new instance, I think, with a provider. This provider kind of sits in between the wallet and the proxy and the server. So all of this initializes the wallet. This is where the QR code comes up. This is where all the scanning happens. Once that's set up, it's setting up a proxy server. So this acts as just like a regular HTTP server. I'm using the default HTTP. We can use any server framework that you want. And in here, it's listening to post requests. And what it's doing is it's getting the body, which is here. And it's feeding that body into the provider, which is up here. And that goes to your phone. It does a bunch of stuff, and it gives you back a response. And that response is being sent back this way. And that's about it. Pretty simple. It needs a lot of checking and all of that stuff, but yeah, it's functional. Thanks.